Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure CyberGhost for Windows app performance, beginner guide step by step clearly. To configure CyberGhost for optimal performance on your Windows app, start by downloading the CyberGhost VPN app from the official website. Install the app by following the on-screen prompts until the installation is complete. Once installed, launch the CyberGhost VPN application. You will be prompted to log in with your account credentials. Enter your email and password, then click the Login button. On the main interface, locate and click on the menu icon in the top left corner. Select the Settings option from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, navigate to the General tab. Here, you can enable features such as the automatic start of the VPN when Windows starts. Next, switch to the VPN tab to customize connection settings. Choose your preferred protocol from the options available, such as OpenVPN or IKEv2 for better performance. Now, return to the main interface and select a server location suitable for your needs. For streaming or gaming, choose a server optimized for those activities. Once selected, click the Connect button to initiate the VPN connection. While connected, you can test your connection speed and performance in real time. If you experience any slowdowns, consider changing the server location for improved speed. To further enhance performance, return to the Settings menu. In the General tab, enable the Wi-Fi protection feature for added security on public networks. Check the kill switch option to ensure your internet connection is secured if the VPN drops unexpectedly. Finally, regularly update the CyberGhost app to benefit from the latest performance enhancements and security fixes. You are now ready to enjoy a faster and secure browsing experience with CyberGhost on your Windows device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.